Good afternoon, students. This is video 9.1 and we've come to the final unit, which is pass the Regents. That's right. That's what the unit title is. Your objective is I can earn at least a 65% on the Geometry Regents exam. Okay? So there are no IXL skills that I want to talk about, but there is a Regents exam for us to focus on, and that one is the January 2014. That's the one that they just took. So we are focusing on that for our first 2 days of the review. Now, what could help you with your review? Well, first thing that can help you is that review book that you bought, this blue one right here. You should be using this. It's set up in a way that's very, very useful. My daughter is studying for the same exam, and she has one. I see her use it all the time. Okay? You also want to refer to our flip site. That's right. Our site is very useful. You can go back, re-whisk again. It will help you. In addition to that, you can explore Khan Academy. We had to do that for 8.3, so that was something that you got to do. So please use all of these resources. All right, so let's just talk about the 7 days that we have left of classes. I know it saddens you, but we only have 7 days remaining. So for the next 7 days, this is basically what we're going to do. Tomorrow, which is June 2nd, we will have a Regents Review Day. Okay? The 6th, which is our next class day, and that would actually be Friday, we will have a Regents Review Day again. Okay? Then we will come back the following week to school, and we will have June 9th and 10th, which are a Monday and a Tuesday, and those are going to be problem set 3 days. Again, that will be Monday and Tuesday. And what's so awesome is that on Tuesday, we will have our Make Math exhibition, which we will talk a little bit about tomorrow for our review day. Okay? The following week, you'll come back. And again, after those problem set 3 days, we will go back into Regents Review for the 11th, 12th, and 13th. Again, I won't see the 11th, but the 12th and 13th, we will have those review days. And then another review day surprise is going to be an extended review session on the last day of regular classes. And then the big enchilada will be June 20th, 1:15 p.m. You will take your Regents exam in geometry. And you will be amazing, and you will do well. Okay, students, so here we are at the big enchilada for today. So this evening, your whisk is to do the following. You are to take your interactive notebook and you want to write down Geometry Regents Practice. You also want to write down that we are doing the January 2014 Regents. What you want to really do is I'm going to give you questions 1 through 20. Make sure you jot down the problem, try it out, and then record a multiple choice answer. These multiple choice answers will be very important at the end of this whisk. So please make sure you do it. Remember, this will help you to pass the Regents exam. Let's go, flippers. Question number 1. The midpoint of line segment AB is point M, 4, 2. If the coordinates of A are 6, -4, what are the coordinates of B? Question number 2. Which diagram shows a construction of a 45-degree angle? Question number 3. What are the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius of a circle whose equation is the quantity of x plus 1 squared plus y minus 5, the quantity squared, equals 16. Question number 4. If distinct planes R and S are both perpendicular to line L, which statement must be always true? Question number 5. If triangle ABC and its image, triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, are graphed on a set of axes, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime under each transformation except Question number 6. A right rectangular prism is shown in the diagram below. Which pair of edges are not coplanar? Question number 7. How many points in the coordinate plane are 3 units from the origin and also equidistant from both the x and y axes? Question number 8. As shown below, the medians of triangle ABC intersect at D. If the length of BE is 12, what is the length of BD? Question number 9. The solution of the system of equations y equals x squared minus 2 and y equals x is question number 10. Line L passes through point 5, 3 and is parallel to line K, whose equation is 5x plus y equals 6. An equation of line L is question number 11. In the diagram below of quadrilateral ABCD, EF and are points on line segment AB and CD. Respectively, BE, line segment BE, and line segment DF are congruent. Line segment AE and line segment CF are also congruent. Which conclusion can be proven? Question number 12. In the diagram below, 4 pairs of triangles are shown. Congruent corresponding parts are labeled in each picture. Using the information given in the diagrams, which pair of triangles cannot be proven congruent? Question number 13. In triangle ABC, shown below, L is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BA, and N is the midpoint of AC. If MN is 8, ML is 5, and LL is 6, the perimeter of trapezoid BMNC is question number 14. In the diagram below, line RCBT and triangle ABC are shown, with the measure of angle A equaling 60 degrees. The measure of angle ABT is 125. What is the measure of ACR? Question number 15. Which equation represents circle O shown in the graph below? Question number 16. For which measures of the sides of triangle ABC is angle B the largest angle of the triangle? Might need a triangle here. Question number 17. What is the measure of the largest exterior angle that any regular polygon can have? Question 18. As shown in the diagram below, a landscaper uses a cylindrical lawn roller on a lawn. The roller has a radius of 9 inches and a width of 42. To the nearest square inch, the area the roller covers in one complete rotation is, in the diagram below, segment AC and BC are tangent to circle O and A and B, respectively, from external point C. If the measure of angle ACB is 38, what is the measure of AOB? And last but not least, question number 20. What is the perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 3 radical 2? What is the perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 3 radical 2? Okay, students, here we go. So again, your secret hot question after all of those is to enter the answers to the Regents exam questions that you were just asked. That's right. I want your answers for questions 1 through 20. Make sure you do this so that I can help you with the things you don't understand tomorrow. This needs to be done before you enter the classroom. All right, and remember, if you have any extra time, you don't have anything to do, go to the January 2014 Regents exam. Where can you find it? You can find it at JMAP. That's right, jmap.org. It's there. Check it out.